Lasers have become common tools in medical practices around the world. Today, lasers allow physicians to perform procedures that could only be dreamed of just a few years ago. Modern lasers are very specific instruments, each with its own purpose when it comes to treating skin problems or for rejuvenation. Vascular lasers are used to treat those tiny red vessels on the nose and face. They can also be used to treat leg veins and certain vascular birthmarks such as port wine stains and hemangiomas. Pigment-reducing lasers are used to erase tattoos, age spots, freckles, or other pigmented anomalies of the skin. Hair reduction lasers are used to reduce the amount of unwanted hair on the face, underarms, legs, bikini area, or any other region with undesirable hair. Certain lasers today can be used to treat and reduce acne and others to improve acne scars. Rosacea, a very common problem in adults, can also be improved with today's modern laser technology. Resurfacing lasers are used to precisely remove layers of skin, reducing the signs of aging by removal of fine lines and wrinkles, and restoring the natural color of the skin. These same lasers are often used to resurface injury or acne scars and cosmetically improve one's appearance. Despite all the previously mentioned laser applications, some of the most exciting strides have come in laser rejuvenation of the skin. Now, lasers can be used to erase years from one's appearance. Advanced remodeling lasers can stimulate collagen production in wrinkles and lines, causing them to fill in and disappear. Precise resurfacing lasers can restore one's youthful appearance with minimal downtime. If you are interested in looking better and have questions about how laser treatments may help you, feel free to arrange a consultation with us today.